Hello, welcome. My name is Laura Alameri, and in this video, I would like to introduce actually an article that I wrote on fixer-uppers or properties that you can do fix and flip with. So let me get a little bit about talking about what is a fixer-upper. When I teach about finding properties for real estate investing, I teach ways to actually come across property with little to no competition, kind of the underground ways to find properties. And if you're interested in seeing that report on the 10 best ways to find properties, by the way, go to my website at lauralameri.com. Now, as you find properties out there, there are 4 possible outcomes. So you're going to wholesale. Eventually, you can also fix and flip and buy and hold or assign the contract. So there are 4 possible outcomes that you have to recognize. And if you do a little bit of all of them, you're never going to leave money on the table. Now, a lot of the properties that you're going to come across are going to be fixer-uppers, meaning they need quite a bit of work before you can retail them if you want to do so, or you can sell them as is and wholesale them or assign the contract. So you'll have to decide what to do. Now, there are formulas that I have also in place to decide if a property should just be sold at wholesale or fixed up based on what the potential is if you do a fixer and flip instead of wholesaling. But the same common ground is obviously there has to be a fixer-upper, a property that you're buying at 60 to 80 cents on the dollars and need to get some work done before you can make a profit. Or it can be sold at wholesale, let somebody else do the fixing, and you make money in doing the transaction. Now, as far as finding this deal, like I said, there is a report on my site that you can take a look at. And furthermore, and I'm going to put a link on the screen as well. And furthermore, you can also, my article will talk about how you're going to finance these deals. They're private. If you're wholesaling, by the way, you do not need any money, right? You can do a double closing, back-to-back closing, and use the end buyer's money to fund the deals. But if you want to fix the property yourself, you can do a combination of private lenders, asset-based lenders, and also some government programs like the FHA 203K program. So I talk about all that in my article and a lot more. And I do also have a webinar that does talk about taking real estate to the next level, which deals with fixing properties and building passive income. So hopefully you find this information very useful for you. And like I said, there are 4 different outcomes to real estate investing. And eventually, even if you're wholesale, you might want to consider dealing with fixer-upper for rehabs or buy and hold, because this is where the biggest discounts are on properties. Thanks, and I hope to see you on my site.